Welcome to today's video. Today's video is actually a follow-up from months ago, Hurricane Helene, and I'm already terrified thinking of hurricane season again. But I had posted several videos. One was issues about FEMA versus the SBA. There was a lot of disinformation on that. I also posted videos on my car being total lost and how my camper should have been a total loss. So I'm going to put all those in the link below in the description so you can read them in case you're still having these issues with the insurance company. One of the mistakes I realized I made regarding my camper, I also listed there. My camper should have been a total loss. It was to my advantage ultimately that it wasn't. I was already losing money on the vehicle. I didn't want to lose more money now with my camper. So the only thing that's left now is to go camping. So hopefully I can do that this month. But this video is a follow-up to the issue that I was entitled to some sort of reimbursements. And I had mentioned in a prior video that when I called the insurance company, everybody was acting like, huh, what are you talking about? And then the lien holder wasn't much better either. They were like, we have no idea. I'm like, guys, clearly I made two payments after the car was totaled. So why am I paying for a car that I don't have and that was totaled and legally is not mine and there's no obligation? Now the catch with that is you're going to have to chase them for the money. I got my money. I got it back maybe 4 or 5 days ago. I already deposited. Everything is good, but it was two payments worth. We're talking almost $800 here. So I definitely had to chase down. I was able to prove first with the insurance company that this was the issue. I need to know how much they paid out exactly and when they notified the lien holder. And then I had to contact the lien holder and said, this is how much you were paid. Here's proof that I made two payments after the fact. So you guys owe me 2 months worth of payment. So I got that resolved and everything else. The good news is I deposited that money into my IRA. I'm starting to deposit for this year's IRA contributions. Might as well get those almost $800 and contribute to the maximum, which I think is $8,000. I've posted a video on that as well. I'll link that as well here. But that's the important part. You have to chase these people down for your money to make sure, because there might be issues where you're making the payments and the insurance company is paying off the lien at the same time. The problem is some people tend to say, I'm not going to make a payment. The insurance company took care of it, and now it's on your credit report. And it's not like getting things off your credit report is that easy. So make sure to follow up and continue making those payments. I know it's going to be difficult because you might be in a situation that I was in where I was making payments not only for a car I didn't have, but now I was making payments for a car I did have. So I went from two payments on, two separate car payments, two separate cars to three car payments now. But again, I got reimbursed. It just takes time. But keep track of that. You always have to make sure when your car was totaled versus when you made the payments, because there might be some money outstanding to you. And if you can afford it and you can open up an IRA or contribute to that IRA, go ahead and get that nice chunk of change, a lump sum payment, and pay it towards your IRA, by all means do. All right. Any questions or comments, feel free to post them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And stay safe. I hope no more hurricanes.